Here she goes.
Drum roll.
Okay, this one's from Casey.
I'll be a cymbal case for the drums.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Wee!
Oh!
Meow! For the day.
What?
H-A-O.
Sorry. Do you love it? Amanda?
Wait.
Wait.
Remember we talked about that?
This is me, and this is you. It's my
Hey, Amanda, can you can you open this one next and help Eamon open it? He wants to open it too, is that okay?
Okay. She already opened it. Standing on my chair. I didn't notice that.
Help open it. Okay.
I didn't notice that. Dad.
It wasn't me.
Oh, come on, Dad.
What is it?
Cheers to you, Dad. What is it, Amanda?
What is it, Eamon?
What is it, Bear?
Yay, little bear.
Build Amanda.
Who's it from? Build Amanda?
That one's from Eamon.
It's called Build Amanda? Really?
We call Build a Bear, and we call her Bear, so Build Amanda.
What do you say to Eamon?
Thank you, Eamon.
Give him a hug, Bear.
Amanda! You like it, Amanda?
Aww.
No, there's still one right here.
That one's from Rory, baby.
It is? That one is this one. Damn, Amanda, run that one. Sister, happy birthday. Stand up.
Take a picture of the picture of the very, very cute. Those folders from.
Archer.
Symbols. Symbols at the ready. Who's the symbol?
Look, even Rory's doing it.
Who's the symbol? At the end, when you see the whole thing, can somebody do the symbol? Okay, Casey, you're the symbol also. Casey, do a symbol at the end when you see it. Like, wait, fully open. Can I have something else?
Look at that tape. Oh, neat.
Do you love it or what? You wanted that, didn't you? Ella remembered.
When we went to Target a few weeks ago, I saw it, and then I was thinking for a minute to have it.
That's very sweet. Alright, that's a couple from Mommy and Daddy. Daddy, you want to give them? And there's one from Rory.
There's one from Rory. He's got it in his hand.
Why don't you let Rory give it to you, Bear? You want to give it to Rory and he'll give it to you? Maybe he could even help a little.
Hey, look at these activities.
You'll probably need to help him more than you did Eamon, huh?
Look at these activities. Look at
Rory, you want to give that to Amanda?
In the dragon boat race.
There you go, Amanda.
Yeah, here. Get it off of my egg.
Yeah, yeah, moving and grooving. Can you keep up? I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move Mr. Messy!
Who's on the other side?
Mr. Mess. And Mr. Tickle! Mr. Tickle! And Mr. Messy.
Cool. Say thanks to Rory.
You
Give Rory a little hug.
Give him a hug! No, give Rory a hug, man! Big hug!
Oh,
That's nice.
good
That's
job.
perfect.
Where's Juju? Where's Juju?
Dada!
This one's for Mommy and Daddy. That one's for Mommy and Daddy too. You have to ask Amanda, honey. Amanda, Eamon wants to know if he can help you a little more. Hey, Mike. Oh, you're so generous, Amanda. What is it?
The drum roll still going.
From you. Amanda, you wanted to see that, didn't you? Very good. What's he doing with your present? Give that to your sister. Okay. Amanda's sharing with you? She seems to be doing it willingly. Okay, wait. Amanda has one more present to open. One more, little girl. And this one's from Mommy and Daddy, too. Ella, why don't you let her do this one all on her own? She's been a very good sharer. I know you are. Let's see. Honey, Daddy can help you get the tag off. Or the tape.
Please.
What did you get?
Cool. Look at you. Happy birthday, Amanda. Look at it says happy birthday, Amanda.
Isn't that crazy?
It really says happy birthday, Amanda. Let's love it. My best friend gave this to her. My best friend gave this to her.
Amanda, isn't that the one you wanted when we were at Target?
Ooh.